What's the meaning of Arthur Koestler? Arthur Koestler. Arthur Koestler.
Arthur Koestler. Arthur Koestler. Arthur Koestler was a Hungarian-British author and journalist. He is best known for his novel, Darkness at Noon, which explores the themes of totalitarianism and political betrayal. Koestler's work also extended to various fields, including science, philosophy, and psychology. He coined the term holarchy to describe structures that are simultaneously autonomous and interdependent. Although he was a controversial figure due to his frequent changes in political affiliation, Koestler's influence on literature and social thought has been enduring.